That's okay.
I'll swap to Mercy.
Do we want to go up through the gut?
They got a Bastion right in the center, and Orisa.
Go left then. Go left. Down.
The left. They're right in front of the statues.
So we can get
occupied for a bit.
John, if you see a chance to charge him right here, go for it.
Yeah, I probably need you to shield me. Give me a shield.
I'm keeping Bastion occupied.
Never mind.
Wow. I don't know how you died so fast.
Hanzo.
Oh, get in.
I died. We took out their Brigida.
Yeah, I got her.
Maybe we should go dive though. Let's try one more push.
Their Bastion's one.
Can't get to him.
Okay, John, I'm ready for you.
Yep, shield me.
Go for it. Go for it.
I just cannot kill you guys fast enough. I guess at least you're not dying, right?
That'll do it. Okay, everybody stay on the point, except for John. Move forward.
Bastion's coming. Oh, he got smashed.
Okay, John, you're kind of by yourself.
I'll step him back.
Yeah, I've got a rally. Group up, group up. I'll have my barrage.
John, go into the door to the right. Oh wait, never mind.
I'm coming for the rally.
All right.
Let's.
John, go into the door to the right.
Yep, I'm moving that way.
Everyone come to the right. Come to the door to the right. I have a bubble ready for you. Go,
Dang it! I was right in the middle of them. I get smacked.
Oh dear. That was really close to killing me.
Dang, man.
Yeah,
You
sorry.
were behind me, I didn't even know she was there.
We couldn't reach you. We were stuck in a graviton.
Back into the fray.
I have a graviton when we're ready.
I'm at 65.
Seals.
Oh, dang it! I'm down.
I'm almost there with you.
Fall back, fall back.
Oh.
Okay, I have a graviton here.
You
You guys ready? No.
I've got a rally.
The Hanzo.
Nice.
I've got Earth Shatter for the next fight.
I'll have barrage for the next fight
I
as
have
well.
rally. I'm gonna wait for a second. Okay, good minute.
We got those.
Okay, John, go ahead and
I've
charge.
got a diva now. I've got barrage.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
dang.
that got all of us.
Oh,
Team kill right there.
yeah. Suck this
Not
in.
quite. Team kill.
I was getting
Oh,
out
yeah,
of the way and I
almost
got
got
pulled in by the stinking...
Yep.
There is still more to my
That was one. Ah, dang it! Zarya chased me down. She's way out though.
Hanzo's behind us. They're both.
Double kill. Let's get to that outcome.
Jeez, they're sitting on the point. They're behind. come out the door.
Go ahead, John.
Dang it. Bad timing.
They are trying really hard this time.
Yeah, I've got a rally. Everybody up? Oh.
Okay, I'll have a grab the next fight too.
Okay, I've almost got my barrage again.
Yeah, I've got my. Yeah, when you're gonna do
They
it.
just wasted their whole. Use it around
Got
the corner.
94%. Just wait. I got barrage.
Reaper's one.
Alright.
Hanzo's back.
No,
Okay.
Hanzo's dead.
Is he okay?
Okay.
Where's the payload? Oh, there it is. Behind Reaper. Yeah, use the graviton on this point.
Okay, ready? Let's go now. Now.
Go.
That was freaking huge.
Nice. Oh, it's
I'm getting shot from behind.
oh, dang, Hanzo got me. Thank you.
Yep.
Nice.
Very nice. Dang, guys, that was well coordinated.
Yeah.
Good job on that Pharah.
Thanks.
Repair your defenses. Select
Okay. Do we want to do something similar?
Do you want
How about we
full
go,
fork, or do we want to do something else?
How about we do Rhine Diva? This time you Diva.
Okay, you want me Diva? You want James to Diva?
Let's put you on Diva. I say let's keep Ben on Pharah.
Okay.
And
I can Mercy
Yeah.
again.
maybe Lucio, Scabby, and Brigida. No, we need more. We need more damage. Yeah, never mind.
Do
I mean,
Soldier or Reaper? Or...
Yeah, why don't you go Soldier? Well, you choose. And then Conniving. I like the Brigida. I don't know. Thoughts on the comp?
They have a Pharaoh. If they don't have a Pharaoh, I'll probably swap back to Reaper.
Yeah, I like that. Where are we gonna hold?
attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
We'll move forward a little.
We go
Come up.
here in this high ground.
I'm gonna come over here, about just right here-ish.
You gotta watch out because they'll come up here.
Let's see.
Side.
So yeah, so James, try not to go too deep. You know, just stay in the back line.
Yeah, if I go too far forward,
5, 4,
heal off of me if you have to.
2,
Yeah, definitely.
attackers
I'll try not to.
defend objective A.
We got Hanzo for sure.
They must be going bottom.
Get some heals.
Yeah, it's like Junkrat, careful.
Let us know if somebody makes it through. There's a you see the trap? Good. There's Zarya's. Hey, Mike, shield's going down. I'm dead. I'm dead. Can I get a res on the point?
If I can get out of being under fire, I'll get you. Oh, did I
Oh,
get
dang
you?
it.
No.
I tried to knock them off. Oh, I'm
I
down.
think we're good.
There's just one left.
Damn it. He's so freaking overpowered.
Is that who's on the point? Diva?
Yeah. No,
I think
there's
Sarah and
Zarya.
Pharah.
Okay, they're Hanzo. Oh crap! Now they're Diva.
We're almost there.
Heals are almost there.
I just died. If I can get res on
Dang
the point.
Ah crap! I just died.
I just died as well.
Nice.
Hanzo.
Oh, they came out with a soldier.
Okay, back up if you can.
That was 2 ults, Lucio and Soldier.
Is it worth us trying to hold the point?
Yeah, try it. I can go up above.
I've
and
got a
use my
barrage.
ult on 'em.
Oh, dang it.
No, Mercy, don't ever. You don't need to be the
Never
person.
mind. We just got.
No.
I wasn't
tried for
diving
it.
to keep the point. I was trying to follow Rhine. Then Rhine died.
Yeah.
Alright, I've got a rally.
Okay.
I'm on my
Like
way.
it up high.
I have Earth
I've got
Shatter
my
also.
barrage too.
I've got soldier ult.
Okay, everybody shoot this.
Hanzo behind us, Diva.
Here it comes right down the middle. Got it.
Good shoot. Yeah, I'm going to rally right now.
Hanzo in the back.
Okay.
Down.
My shield's gonna go down for a sec.
Nice job eating that ult.
Yep.
Okay, ready for the Earth Shatter?
Yep.
Oh, fetch!
Dang. Oh, man.
Diva ult.
Did you turn your shield there at the wrong moment?
Yes. I thought it was the side of us.
Oh,
Sorry.
no worries.
Oh, come on. Lucio.
Trap on the ground.
Watch the trap.
Barrier's going down.
Hanzo's or Lucio's one.
Yeah, we got this. Thank you for the shield.
Barrier's down.
Fell down.
Those heals.
Yeah.
Do they have a Hanzo somewhere?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's over
They're
here.
in
somewhere.
this
I was just shooting
building
at
on
him.
the ground floor. Hanzo's behind.
Soldiers up top. I need heals.
Hanzo's down.
There's heals on the point. Lower back of the point. Soldier
Where is he?
behind.
He's in the back.
I got him.
I need lots of health. I need lots of health.
Get Diva down.
Crud.
Ah, dang.
Alright guys, fall back, fall back. We don't want to fight at this point.
Oh,
We are super spread out.
All systems checked out.
They're gonna pop out this door on us.
Yeah, yeah, fall back, fall back, fall back.
I can't. I can't. I
I
can't.
got you. Crud.
Jeez, holy crud.
Dang, I almost
Fall back
made it
all the
out
way
the
to
corner.
spawn. Fall back all the way to spawn.
Yeah. Got nowhere to freaking go there. Diva put her freaking ult right on me.
I'm
stopped.
split. I'm respawning.
yeah. I've got my barrage again.
Can I have your all by yourself up there, man?
Yep. Fall back if you have to.
Alright, they got 2 minutes to get it in there.
Okay, I've got an Earth Shatter.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I got my ult.
Get you in there. Let me know when you're about to do it so I can make
Now,
it.
now, now.
I took out the tire.
Yeah, it's good. We're good.
We got it. We followed
Good
up.
job taking that tire out.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got a rally.
I need help.
Forward shield. Shoot you down.
Barrier's gonna go down.
Focus Diva down, Mini.
She's one. She's out of mech.
Nerf this.
Junkrat's one, dead.
Nice, huge. Huge.
Thank you.
Run, Lucio, run!
60 seconds.
That was only one
Okay,
ult we
let's-
had to use there too. So that was awesome.
What are, they're gonna have some ults. They're gonna have a bongo.
Watch out, Hanzo's going right. He's coming,
Yep.
looping around.
He's half health.
Move, move, move.
Ejecting.
30 seconds remaining.
Okay, Earth Shadow coming.
Dang it.
No, I was.
I need help. I need help. James.
Nerf this.
Keep Reinhardt alive.
It's super important to keep me alive right now.
10 seconds remaining.
Earth Shadow, ready?
Yes, do it. I'm down.
They have a bastion.
Bastion's one. Bastion's one.
Oh, God, die when I shoot.
Rally.
Lucio's half. Alright, Zarya's fully full. Oh my gosh. Junkrat just came on.
Crud, man. I was trying to catch that.
Stuck.
Oh, holy crud.
No, stay on it. Stay on it.
Oh, I'm down.
On there, get on there.
Managed to get the Junkrat. Got it.
Dang. We just have to get one tick though.
That was
No.
definitely partially my bad.
We both finished.
I thought I had that Hanzo.
Yeah, but they were in overtime and we weren't.
Switching sides.
Oh, I thought they had time remaining.
Nope. So we only have to
Prepare to
get a
attack.
tick and we win.
Select your hero.
Dang, how did we not finish that? That's too bad.
I don't know, man.
I dove in to kill that Hanzo,
It was the bastion.
and I shouldn't have dove so
Yeah,
far.
the Bastion right at the end.
Yeah. I was nailing them, but you just wouldn't die.
Let's talk. Let's make action. Let's do this.
Same as the before. That was our last
We really
attack.
got one push here, so we gotta make it count.
Maybe we should do a Diva Winston then.
I don't know. It seemed like the first
Yeah,
time we
I
played
think-
through this, we did
I
a good
think they're
job.
gonna
We
run
should do the same comp.
I think they're gonna run the same comp pretty much.
Attack commences in
Should
They
we do a
haven't changed
Lucio this
anything
time?
other than going to the Bastion.
Should we do a Lucio instead of a Brigida? I don't know.
Could do. I don't know.
Do you want it?
Let's stick with it. We did it good on the last one.
Let's go left
Ivan, if
again.
you want, you can do Pharah and I'll switch to a healer.
3,
No,
No, let's stick with what we've
Good
got.
idea.
Do you just want to go straight left, or do we want to look
capture
up top first?
objective A.
no, go left. It just gets us closer to them.
60 seconds.
Okay, they're all holed up here. Bastion, they've got a Mei, watch out.
But are
Or
you sure that
she
wall
used
get
her
used,
wall.
though?
She just used her wall.
Okay, John, I got a bubble for you.
Call where the Bastion is. He's right in front.
They're Orisa, they're all in front of the statue right here. They're shooting at me. Oh, Orisa's one. Orisa's down.
Bastion down.
Can you res me?
Nice. Yes.
So that just split them up.
John, I got a bubble for you.
Kills.
Trying to get to you. There we go. Dang it.
Res him,
Not
res
fast
him.
enough. I can't. Don't have any reses.
We got this. Nice.
Game. Pushed him off.
Good job.
Nice.
Good smash in that bastion there, John.
Thanks.
Play of the game.
He wasn't paying attention to me. I figured I could kill him.
Yeah.